Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The pink headed fruit dove is a small, colorful dove that is endemic to Indonesia and it occurs in mountain forest at altitudes of 1000 to 2200 meters. The end of prohibition. Single women are happier than single men, study says. Scientists found 66 million years old egg in Antarctica. The egg was laid by a mosasaur, a giant marine reptile. In 1900, 40% of cars in America ran on steam, 38% used electricity, and only 22% were powered by gasoline. Visiting quarantined family members 1905. Game of Thrones is the most pirated TV show in history with season 7 finale being streamed or downloaded over 1 billion times. Something might have visited our solar system and rearranged the planets, scientists say. When someone helps you and they're struggling too, that's not help, that's love. Ducks have 340-degree vision. Charles Darwin was the first to put wheels on an office chair, creating the modern office chair. If the earth had no atmosphere, the oceans would evaporate. Perrier Water and its competitor San Pellegrino are both owned by same company, Nestle. Nutella has very few hazelnuts. It is 58% sugar and is 32% fat, most of which is palm oil. The frilled shark can fold its body and take the whole prey inside its mouth. Mountain gorilla eats 60 types of food a day. A man called Michael Nicholson enrolled in school for 55 years straight, earning 30 degrees. Costco does not make money selling products. It makes all profits from membership fees. Psychedelic frogfish can bounce in water. The Indonesian word for water is air. Lily trotter bird will lay their eggs on the lotus leaves. A wolf can eat up to 20,000 pounds of food in a day. This moth name is buff-tip moth. When it sits motionless, the color, shape and buff-colored wingtips of the buff-tip moth make it perfectly camouflaged. It looks like just a broken birch twig. A man recreated Disneyland's Matterhorn roller coaster in his backyard while self-isolating. Arati Saha was an Indian long-distance swimmer, best known for becoming the first Asian woman to swim across the English Channel on 29 September 1959. A world record has been set in Turkey with the largest balloon sculpture of dinosaur measuring 7.86 meter into 9.08 meter into 19.64 meter. Considering when the game was originally made, it's hardly surprising that the original file size for Super Mario Bros. Was only 32 kilobytes, less than any of the image. A study found that Indian people sleep less in cities as compared to rural areas. The first two letters of the logo is in a wave which represents an analog symbol. The last two are similar to the numbers 1 and 0, that is the symbols of the digital signal. Smallest seed orchid. Take risk. If you win, you will be happy. If you lose, you will be wise. Nucleic acids, first called nuclein because they were isolated from cell nuclei. Nothing can dim the light that shines from within. Pomology, the science and practice of fruit culture. Biggest pollen, Mirabilis. History of the French language. It's the sixth most spoken language in the world and is an official language in 29 countries. A long time ago, in 500 BCE, the Romans, people from ancient Rome, came to France and conquered the area. The Romans spoke Latin, and over time, the people in France started speaking a form of Latin too. This early Latin was a little different from the one spoken in Rome. The Franks spoke a language that mixed with the Latin spoke by the people, and this created new words and sounds. This mix helped shape what would become the French language. By the 9th century, the Latin spoke in France had changed enough to be called Old French. This version of French was still quite different from the French we know today. Old French slowly turned into Middle French. During this time, French became more standardized, especially after the kings of France made the Parisian dialect the official one. In the 17th century, French began to look more like the language we speak today. The French Academy was created in 1635 to regulate the language, ensuring it was used correctly in schools and official documents. The French language started as a form of Latin, then mixed with other languages as different groups of people settled in France. Thanks for watching.